John's got to get his sack out, and it's on camera. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Welcome to the Smooth Magic Hour.
Harold?
Today we will be playing some fucking asshole.
He couldn't even keep his composure for like 30 seconds. I'll play first.
Did we cut? I don't think we even cut.
What are you talking about?
You're still shuffling? Come on, guys.
I'm still shuffling.
We gotta be pros on the camera.
Fine.
Can't miss us anything.
I'm gonna shuffle your deck
John Bob will be
actually
on
because we're on camera.
Can't cheat.
People,
Can't see it.
I can't cheat on
Can't
camera?
even think about cheating.
Listen.
Camera will check you.
people turn one, Goblin Guide.
Burton
Hit me
Cheaty
for
will,
two.
will say
on
other.
camera a bunch of times. I just never let my girlfriend see it.
Oh my god!
That's so bad.
You know this goes on YouTube, right?
Does that sound?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's all the sound.
Well, that's okay. So we're at dinner one time. I haven't told my best friend that I'm dating Angel. And he goes, hey, remember that time that I took your phone from you? And I saw that video of you and your girlfriend banging? And I'm like, cool. Me and my girlfriend Angel.
It's always fun.
It was epic.
That was great.
Who's the guy who cheated with
So you're on the play?
Amulet Bloom deck?
The what?
The Amulet Bloom deck.
Someone cheated here with Amulet.
No, not
no.
here. In the Pro Tour.
I have no idea.
Oh, somebody cheated.
Did he
I
cheat?
heard that.
Yeah.
Somebody
Amulet
else cheated.
Bloom.
Steven Speck? Is that his name? Yeah.
What do you do?
He palmed like his opening hands.
His top 7.
Yeah.
And then he was in his deck to be cut.
I will
And the
keep.
guy
Alright, cool.
power
Good.
shuffled it
Good.
and was like, cool. There's 53 cards here. I called the judge.
Shock.
That's how I got caught.
Guide.
53 cards.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
That's fun.
Good.
Yeah.
Main deck spells good,
He
eh?
palmed his, what?
Shock
How
2.
does that work?
When he shuffled, he
Yeah.
already had his opening 7 in his plate.
In his palm? Oh, he was
Let's
like
let the camera
holding it
see.
in his hand?
It's
Basically.
got it somewhere.
Sir, Judge, that doesn't look like a noble hierarch.
It looks like it to me. What do you got to say about that?
Beat you ridiculous.
Yeah, it's pretty funny to like.
Yeah, please.
I think that's a
But
fake noble hire.
he was on camera. They went back and looked at it. Did it twice on camera.
Wow.
Like that takes balls.
Host.
That's just dumb.
Like actual
Like
balls.
on camera, they were like, "Wow."
I'll keep this.
Oh, that was pretty easy. Oh, yeah, look at here. I'm gonna lose.
Yeah, I mean it's been working out for me
It's
whenever
gonna
I do.
suck. Suck me balls.
Yeah? Yeah. Alright. Yep.
Oh shit.
You can either
Yeah, that's
choose
right.
for me to
Take my
second.
four.
Trigger.
I'm a 16.
Oh, can't see. What is it? Hellspark? That's the unearthed
Hellspark.
one.
That's not
I don't know what these janky cards do. Let me look at them. Jeez.
Did you get them all foiled? You're awesome.
Somewhat.
Man, alright.
Take 2.
I got
No. I'm gonna fetch.
Oh, the shock. I got 18. Yep.
I think I'm at 14.
Gain 3.
Okay, you're at 14.
I shocked.
Oh, you shocked?
Hit me twice.
Oh,
I
I didn't.
think.
I missed the shot.
21.
How else do I pull the noble?
I don't know. By cheating.
Yeah, I mean, shit.
Suspend.
Yeah, you spend your bitch bolt.
I just want to watch this video. Listen to Jay Salt.
Oh, I know.
Shock 2.
Goblin Guide?
Yeah. Thank you for doing my work for me.
That's fine.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna have to fucking happen.
I'll bolt you with my other one.
Okay.
So I got you at 10. Swing, trigger. You look at the top, you reveal the top card. If it's a land, you get to keep it. If not, 2.
Okay.
You're at 8. Go.
Yeah. Attempt to rift bolt
One
you.
short stalker.
Yep.
And this one. Let me do this
I'll pay
one
2.
first.
Sure.
Discard and. Aqua
Draw a card.
Pass.
Sure.
Swing 2. Trigger. Good.
Double.
How much am I?
You're
10?
at 8.
8?
Yeah.
I will let it go.
Okay.
Combat. Good. Swing, trigger.
Yep.
Suspend another rift bolt.
Yep.
You're blocking?
Yep.
Lava spike you.
Sure.
And
Go ahead.
pass.
Yeah, this is. And go.
Hit you with 3 in the face.
I'll take 3 in the face.
Yeah. Pass. Oh, scrub.
Combat.
3 you?
Yep.
Sure.
Trigger.
Draw.
Okay. 6.
Taking 6, going to 4. Or 2-2. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's the mana.
Take 2.
Sure.
Shard volley you.
Sure.
Yeah. I wasn't even gonna
I
try.
don't know if you're gonna like Simeon Spirit Guide,
Land.
Yeah.
counter. I
It was
don't know what the
bad.
hell
I
the
was
deck
hoping,
plays.
I was hoping my first draw would have been something land at least so I can start it off. But
I don't think I have any
normally
sideboard
that's
for
what
him.
happens. But
Really?
that was just
Like
bad.
this would be the first deck I would think about. Burn? That's like the first deck everyone thinks about in their sideboard.
Well,
It
yeah,
feels
but-
like
That wasn't a great opening.
Nice.
Also, you're getting to go first.
It's
burn
Billy's
it, burn
spell
it,
sky.
impact.
Everyone has a spell sky for burn.
You either have a spell sky, you have a ley line, or you have life
Because my
gain.
deck does really well against it.
Yeah, you have life. You have rocks.
Rocks main board. And
Let's hope I can get an actual aggro hand going.
Rocks? Remake?
No,
4 for 3.
with lifelink. Dumb as shit.
Oh,
You're playing
that
the
rock.
collected company build
The-
still,
the
right?
van-
I took out the collecting company, put in Aether Vials.
Really?
Better.
Yeah, I forgot you're doing.
Aether
band
Vials seems so
aggro,
much
right?
slower though.
Why don't you do both?
I tried that. No, because my guys don't get countered, and then the spells that I run are so much better. Because I was missing on collecting companies so much.
Okay.
So like being able to Aether Vial in a guy and make him fight for 4 damage, or Aether Vial in rocks, and then you'd be like, crap. So
Hey, yo, bitch, yo,
You're-
Domino's her.
You're playing some pretty cool tricks too, yeah.
Over here
Stop
on
paying
camera
attention.
there, Jay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Please maintain your professional composure, sir.
That's right, tell him, ball.
About to professionally compose my foot in your butt.
Alright, what's that I'm gonna take out? Like your whole deck revolves around ball lightning, so like everything I play fucking kills it.
Andrew, are you buying for everyone? Is that what's going on here, Andrew?
What is he buying?
What a pro. That's a true magic player right there. Got 20 bucks.
What a
for
man.
Pizza
God, look at that. Look at that hat hair right there.
Haiti.
Jesus.
That's some hair right there.
I think I just take out.
That's why he wears the hat. So he can take it
I'll
off
wear the
every
hat because I love OC.
Yeah, I'm going first. Hopefully I actually get a land this time that I can play.
Some key cards. I like those key cards.
No, so you're going to get you getting to go first. That's what does it with our decks.
So you're on the play then? So that means that you should win.
Pick a good hand. We'll see.
Because you're on the play.
See that. See that.
I will keep.
Turn on the colorless. Go.
So if you win this one, we're going to play Star Realms for game 3.
I'm down. Just give me a quick refresher. We'll do
That's
it.
fine.
Quick refresher. I got you.
How about no?
Play Blackfield.
What?
Yep, Crossmaster Arena.
I'll play you in chess. We can slap a chessboard down
Dude, I
right
haven't
here.
played
We'll do
chess
it.
since I was 10 years old, probably. So that
Yeah.
you'd probably win.
Probably poop on you. I only played chess twice in the past like 10 years.
Like I used to be pretty good at it when I was a kid. I don't know how I am now. All right.
Monster.
There. Illegal cuts.
Remand for
Not
take
as many
take
times
one
I
for
won.
remand.
Illegal.
It goes back to my hand, right? Yep.
Sideboard.
You're on the play?
Yeah.
Oh no, we were talking about the dude with the top hat.
Draw.
Yeah, Drew.
You missed that part of the conversation.
Gulliver.
Yes, the
Wow.
dinosaur has a top
Swing.
hat.
So he's
I mean,
First trigger.
it's pretty.
You got it.
it's a
terrible.
it's
Yours.
a land.
Second trigger. Okay, let's go. 4.
Listen here. I don't want to hear your thing. I like mine. There's this dude in class. For a top hat.
That's very nice.
And then this helps.
Fellow burn player.
Yeah, man.
Burn player.
I don't have the mana to keep this. It sucks.
I think I'm gonna roll again as well. Yeah, that was correct play. I had one land and I didn't have any more
I
coming
had
in.
one, it was a Cavern of Souls. That was it.
Oh, that sucks. Yeah, that's not good.
Those lands that make
I had one fetch and then I looked at my top 4. I didn't have another one coming.
Yeah.
If it was like 3 creatures, it would be fine. But it was 3 different types of bolts, so it was fucking awful.
Jesus, okay.
Yeah, he's playing. This is the red table. A bunch of
So-
red phalluses.
So what this is called is
Deep red anal.
fuck your ley line.
Yeah. Swing.
That's how you win through a ley line.
First trigger. Alright, and then second trigger, you look at it again. So, alright. 4, 5, and 6 coming at you right now.
How much am I at?
You're at 14.
I have the letters off. 6 going at me.
Sure, you're at 8.
Oh my god, yes.
Take 1 for blue.
Oh my god.
I have that Spectre.
Can't get a good, decent
one.
hand
Oh, you're
against you.
painting?
Yeah, painting.
Sure, you're at 7. I haven't seen that going forever. Come on.
I mean, I don't really want to go down one, but I don't think I'm not going to beat you with this hand.
Blue. Tap forest. Gonna do a hidden strings.
Sure,
Yeah.
I'll keep. We'll see what
One
happens.
tap.
I'll keep.
Cipher.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, go.
Fetch.
That's what I would
Even has spell skite in my opening
funny
hand.
is that like check with the restaurant, those
You're
people
at 4.
First
Cross
ball.
trigger?
Go ahead.
and I was like,
Sure.
where has the world gone?
Yeah, that's game right there.
And then swing.
Yeah.
No, they're just
Good game.
Good game. Way too fast.
So, me.
Go.
the one worth going to. This is close by, and I want checkers.
Yeah, I still had another one. My starting hand was
4 bolts.
For you.
this,
Alright.
this, and this. 3, 6, minus that, I think.
So that's like.
That was my
I'll go
starting hand.
16.
I'm like, okay.
I'll take it.
And then I actually drew into this to actually keep it. That doesn't happen. That's a dream hand.
I did not have.
I'll Searing Blaze your Neville.
Way too. My day was
With
way
landfall.
too slow.
Cool.
Yeah,
that's right.
Good.
I played Soul Sisters, which is, it gains nothing.
Yeah.
I was like, sure, I have no idea how to beat
Big
you.
game.
I'll
I
try.
mean, fuck it. Tap, double red,
Ball
ball lightning, swing 6.
I'll go to 10.
Yep. Pass. I mean, the mana couldn't have gotten really better for that. Literally, the thicket, a red and a green.
I'll suspend a Rift Bolt.
Okay.
Good.
Feels so good. The brand new story, so like. Just
I was at the
slide right in.
Orlando
tap.
GP last year. I
Was that for
legitimately
double red?
just
Okay.
standing there shuffling
Hell's
my
Thunder.
deck for at least an hour. Because
Fuck the
that's how
lightning
long it
bolt.
took before
That's
I
what it
started.
is.
So I was just like,
Sure.
4.
Like, you
I'm
want
at
to
six.
I was actually walking around
Pass.
the whole convention.
End of turn, I'll bolt you.
Yep.
Untap. Bolt you.
Yep.
No, it's just something to do.
I love that feeling. Just
Go ahead.
like, slides in perfectly.
Oh yeah.
It's like you have 2
That
Yep,
doesn't
yep,
sound-
yep.
that
The
doesn't sound
perfect.
sexual at all.
Kind of is. There's some crazy lands. They almost look real.
Debating just like that. Going for
Don't
it.
debate, just do it.
Do it. I do it.
Play card hand 3.
Yeah.
I think the dream hand would have been 4 and at least a Kiora. She would have been really
Tap, double green.
Sure.
Green. Groundbreaker.
What does that do? Oh, I forgot that they have a green one. Yeah. Okay.
Swing.
I'll bolt it.
Yep.
My turn?
Yeah.
Cards in hand?
3.
3. Had one. Alright, go ahead.
It's Russian.
Negative mana. How many cards do you have? 2?
Yeah.
Life.
I'm at 6, he's at 8.
That's a cool screen.
Oh. Yeah, that's fine. Sure, double red. Hell's Thunder?
Sure.
Yeah, I'll take 2. Swing 4.
Yeah. My turn?
Yeah.
Sure. Swing 2.
Yep.
Go ahead.
You're at 2?
Yeah.
Double red. Hell Spark Elemental. I'll take 2.
You got it.
Oh yeah. I saw it. I was like,
No,
if I get the
Playing Eidolon was so incorrect, but I had nothing else to do.
Well, no, you didn't know I had another one of those dudes in my hand.
I didn't know that he would have something to play.
I mean, I wouldn't have attacked with him because he had to have a flyer.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
if he would have taken 2 and then you could have blocked with it, and then you could have, you know what I mean?
Yeah, maybe. That's probably true.
So he would have taken 2 off of it. You would have had a blocker.
Yeah, the fly, and that's why I played the flyer because I was like,
Oh, that's why it was a flyer.
yeah, the
Hell's Thunder.
Well, yeah, I mean I had it no matter what, but yeah, the Hell's Thunder because, and he didn't have the one. There's no 1-drop spell that's gonna do 4 damage to it, you know. So it was like when I swung in, I was like, it brought him down to 2, so I literally couldn't do anything. I had enough life to where I could still play a spell the next turn, and he physically couldn't play anything to kill me. And no matter what creature I played would have killed you, even if you wouldn't have even if you'd had a blocker.
This was this.
Do you know any, do you play control?
This sideboard card is a trap for this deck. I thought it would be good, but it's a trap.
It's a tarp. It's a trap.
No, yeah.
It's bad. It's not. I didn't know what the hell the deck did, really.
I do not.
I understand it now.
When I play standard.
Oh, yeah.
It's just a trap. I'm taking those out.
I'm usually the guy. I do play control.
Make people go to game 3, John.
I
That's
like
what
to kill
happens. I
creatures,
usually lose, but we at
which
least
is
go
the
to game
type of
3.
control,
Yeah.
But
One does not simply 2-0 me, except last week, because I was playing standard deck. That's when you get to 2-0 me.
Sure.
Oh, like fast and
Take it. You're gonna be on play?
I think so.
Oh, it was stupid. Turn 3 was just killing everything.
What? Turn 3 Coco?
No, God.
Oh yeah, that's brutal.
It was even worse. Turn 3 kill.
Josh did that to me earlier.
With what?
It's a
Living?
Affinity deck.
Amulet Bloom?
Black
was
red,
it?
aggro.
Oh, it's just a deck I made.
Black red aggro deck.
That's pretty dope.
It was pretty.
Getting it in there.
Pretty cool.
Getting it in there.
So we're doing Star Realms now, right?
Shit. I mean, I have any more even chance. You basically, it'd come down to strict skill based.
That was the 3rd one.
So I'd win. Yeah.
I was like,
I don't know, man. I got some jokes. I played the game at least once. I know I have. I feel like I have.
So I put it in front of you, and I don't tell you anything about how the rules
Then
are.
you're gonna win.
Oh, okay.
But if you give me a
Tell you
refresher
how-
course,
Then
give me a quick refresher course. Be like this. I'll be like,
you
"Alright, let's
might,
do it."
because the game is swingy as hell.
I played
And
that. You played that
there's no
mech
lock
card
to
game.
it. Mech card?
Yeah, the
No.
mech. It was like mech battles. Dude, it was dope.
Really? Is it like a
Yeah, it's like
deck building game?
Yeah, it's a deck building game.
Okay. I want to try some.
They do different mechs, and like the different ones have different cards that they play. Like faster mechs play like aggro. You know, like it's cool. It's cool. Pretty cool.
Pretty sweet. I'll keep.
I'll keep as well.
I'm going to shock in, place my spear, and hit you for 1.
All right.
Go ahead.
Correct.
Oh, you got a foilie, huh?
Yeah.
Big shot, huh?
That's what I got rid of my last noble I had for. I had a noble, and I traded it in.
Why?
Because I didn't know I was building this deck.
God, you're
I got a full windswept though.
you're a silly person.
Silly goose.
Until that pre-release cycles
Silly
out,
goose.
wait a couple
Go.
months after that, and sell it. Sell it right now.
Untap. Draw.
Drizzle.
Swing 1.
Take one.
Oh my
Go
god.
ahead.
Yahtzee.
Then they could just say Yahtzee.
Yeah, I
I
got
think then they
a
could just say Yahtzee.
Yahtzee.
Yahtzee!
Isn't Yahtzee with 4 or 6?
So Yahtzees are 5s, I thought.
5?
You get 5 of the same, isn't
Think
it?
it.
Yeah, 4 of the same.
Sure.
I'm gonna keep them.
Tap,
It's like
double
it's
red.
basically rolling, and whoever gets
Tap.
like the most
Hell's
copies
Thunder.
of one gets points, and so you
Combat?
keep rolling
Yeah.
until you get
Swing.
like
Zelda trigger.
right here. I think I get like 2
The
points.
5/5?
Yep.
Because there's 5, and if you get Yahtzee,
I'll
you
respond.
instant right? Whoever can get like after like 10 or
I'll
something.
take 3, go to 15.
Making responses to that
I would've won
5/5
Yahtzee.
Hell's Thunder turn 2. Making responses. Oh, I mean, let's.
Ooh, the Secret Wars are right behind you.
That's the card that actually is good against me.
Yeah, no,
The
that's
rest-
what I was, yeah.
the
The rest,
get
the rest,
fucked.
yeah, the rest burns, literally
Yeah.
burns. It burns.
I'll deflecting palm it.
You're a fucking dildo, aren't you? Holy
You just
shit.
deflecting bomb the dude?
Yeah, the 5/5.
What a fucking cunt bag.
Cuts.
I don't even want to play you anymore.
You wanna
Fuck
con-
this, Matt. I don't
You want
want
to
this film.
concede?
Go,
Bullshit.
Would you like to
Oh my
concede?
fucking god, go.
Oh, we're recording the salt for future viewings.
Oh my god.
You prevent them this way. That's
Kill that
crazy.
down.
Just
Fuck. 1.
that's like
Sure.
Go ahead.
strictly against you, man.
Yeah,
That's against
no.
Infect too. It's really
Yeah,
good.
Infect is
And
nasty.
Boggles.
So wait, does the infect damage go through?
Elemental.
No, it prevents it. It deals regular damage to them.
Okay, got
yeah.
it.
Elemental? Sure.
Ooh, something's wrong with that Cavern of Souls, man.
Fucking
Get it checked up.
Um,
He's just not.
he's not
happy
feel,
right
He's
now.
not happy with
He
this.
is not happy right now.
Alright.
The deck draws enough cards. I feel like
Go green.
Sure.
working in something.
Force mage.
I don't know what the hell that does. Whenever another creature comes into play under your control, that creature gets +3/+3 until end of turn. That's pretty ridiculous. Yeah.
Swing.
For 1?
Yep.
I gotta admit, I actually kind of like this deck. This deck's pretty sweet. Yeah, I'll take 1. My turn?
Yeah.
So 2, 2. Yeah, I just gotta bolt it. That shit's too much. Tap, draw. Bloodstained Mirror.
Yep.
1 of you.
Sure.
God, it's so grindy. Go ahead.
Foothills, crack. Red. Cut. Tap for this, double red.
Yep.
Third red.
Sure.
And I'm gonna tap these 2.
Sure.
Float another 2 colors. Spell sky.
Yeah, spell scuds.
He's good.
Fine. Yeah.
Ball lightning.
Yeah.
Alright. Combat. 6. Oh, 7 actually. Trigger.
Yeah, I need to ask the judge question though. Is David still playing? Yeah. Hey Freddie, let me ask you something you might know. So if I do this,
He's just gonna deflecting palm again. I already
it's
know what the
not.
I already know what the
can,
fuck you're doing.
no, I already know
Yes.
you can't fucking
Yes.
redirect from Deflectable. Can he redirect to Spellskite both parts of this?
Yes. But
Okay, but if I do it to Spellskite, he can't redirect it. I know
Right.
that part. Okay, that's right. So he redirects both parts.
he can pay to redirect both parts, but he can pay to redirect to both parts.
Okay.
If you use one of them to target Spellscape, then he can't redirect the other one.
Yeah, that's, yeah.
Right.
Okay.
He'd be dead if it wasn't deflecting palm.
Yeah, probably. No, it's magic. That's 14, you're at 9.
I drew.
Yeah, I'll take 6. Oh, 7, sorry.
Alright.
Alright.
Pass.
End of turn, I'm gonna skull crack you.
Sure, I'll pay 2.
You do?
Oh, wait. What does this say?
17th of July, we're gonna
Damage can't be prevented. That's not preventing it, though, right?
Read the whole card and then I'm not.
Just 3 damage. Oh, 3 damage to target player?
There
Oh,
you go. You
so
sure
I
you still want to do that?
can't redirect it?
You can pay for the cost.
You can pay the
You
cost.
can't
It's not
redirect
gonna
it.
redirect
no.
it? No, okay.
Okay.
No.
I'm not gonna scum you like that, but I could. Untap. Don't hate me, Jay.
No.
I love you,
No,
buddy.
You either have it or you don't.
I do.
Because if you didn't, you'd be dead next turn.
I possibly would. Lava spike you. It's to player.
Yeah.
Skull crack you. Yeah.
Would have been fine if it wasn't a fucking deflecting palm. You'd have been dead.
It's called the tech card.
It's called
Good game, though. Love you.
fucking asshole.
Smooches.
You fucking deflecting palm. Shove it right up your anus.
Video. I'm actually gonna probably up them in the sideboard because Infect is fucking annoying as hell to play against for this deck. It's like a coin flip. It's like I put these in. I had Volcanic Fallout in against you, and I'm like, that was wrong. That was just fucking wrong. So I put,
See, I told you it's early. If you get to go first, you win.
what happened? Yeah, probably.
Because our one drops matter. If I get that mana dork out, you either have to spend your turn playing a creature that's gonna hit me, or spend your turn killing the mana dork. You know.
Yeah.
And then it's like if you spend your turn killing the mana dork, next turn I'm gonna be playing another threat, and it's like you either got to play either on the defensive or you're going for it. And so
Killing
if
the
you're,
mana dorks might have been wrong.
No, it's definitely the right thing because if you wouldn't have, it would have got really fucking nasty, really fast, really nasty, really fast. I was hoping you were gonna. I was hoping even if you wouldn't have been able to kill me, if you'd have shocked, you'd have been dead. Because I was gonna unearth the 4/4, exalt and trigger him.
Yeah, he was the main problem I was having.
Oh no. He is the thickness. That is why he is in here. The thickness.
You guys going game 3?
No, that was
game
game
three.
3.
That was the longest game 3 for aggro deck I've seen.
Oh yeah, I mean I would have got it if it was fucking deflected.
3 collected bombs killed it all.
So that was literally it, because me taking 5 to the face just made his job easier.
That's pretty great.
Okay, there they are.
I didn't know that card was so
Yeah, so then, and then also, it prevented the 5 damage
Jesus,
to him.
4 blow
Like,
charms.
if he'd have
That's
taken
what I took out.
like, look,
Nasty.
if he'd have taken the 5 damage,
Burn.
he'd be at 1 right now.
Yeah.
He'd been at 1. That means I could have played any card in my deck and gotten through. And that means he'd have been on the defensive for the rest of the game. And he
You're
wouldn't
like,
have
that's like saying if he didn't play the Blighted Agent in Infect. If he didn't- if
he
he
can play
didn't-
the Blighted Agent, but when I swing with 18, it ain't gonna matter.
Like saying if you hadn't blank, I would have blanked is really
just the fucking deflecting.
the dumbest thing ever.
He's just
If you hadn't
salty.
played Spellskite,
He's
I would have just
salty
killed
about-
you.
He's just
I
salty
could have
about
instantly killed you.
the deflecting palm.
Yeah.
Now every time when he goes to sleep tonight, he's gonna be having dreams about the deflecting palms.
I just want you to think of this every time.
I'm just gonna think of deflecting palm.
It's just
I wasn't
gonna be-
scared of anything else in your deck, but then that fucking deflecting palm.
I think I'm gonna put 4 of
He's
it
gonna
now.
go to the next
I think it's gonna. I think it's gonna be
"Hey, do you
4
want a
in the
deflecting
side
I'm gonna
now.
put
Yeah, I run
deflecting
4.
palms
Yeah, no,
in
I'm
mine
out,
too.
I'm out.
Good.
Actually, I could do that.
It helps me more than it helps you.
You're gonna be like deflecting palm and be like deflecting palm, you deflecting palm.
Do you even play 3 colors? I think it's you just.
Actually, no. You know what goes around that? Fling. You're like deflecting palm and be like, cool. Fling.
No, yeah, no, that's actually very correct.
I put
Yeah,
2 in
and
against
put
you.
Put them in. Yeah.
I did. I put 2 in against you, but it didn't really matter.
So you
Yeah.
had outs.
Fling.
It's not in your hand.
Oh yeah, fling.
I was thinking. I'm
Flinging
trying.
responses like scares the shit
I'm
out
gonna
of me.
try and fit them in main. The 4 Eternal Witnesses I think are way too much.
No, yeah, four.
I think I'm gonna go down to 2 and at least leave 2.
Actually, no. Ewit I can see being in 4.
I mean, it's good because yeah, it allows you to reoccur stuff. But, I mean, Matt, you can turn off the camera.